Hey everyone, I'm getting a big move on Bitcoin here, so I wanted to go over my thoughts because my last update publicly on Twitter was that I was short here, but obviously been giving a lot more updates in the members Discord and Telegram throughout this. So with this move up, I have some people asking, is now the time to long? For me, no. So I'll just tell you kind of my philosophy here trading is I carry some longs from support. My last long was here on the chart. I took profits on it, carrying it higher. And as we've come into resistance, I've been just looking for levels to short that will give me a quick TP1. So that means a place where we're likely to get some kind of reaction. We could carry on further, but at least, I have some longs running. At least I can get out with some profit. There was a lot of strength developing here, so I didn't short this level. I waited higher. Actually, didn't short this either. And the next level I was interested in shorting as we came up here was to take these highs and ultimately up into the 786. So I shorted lightly here and more heavily here. And I took profits on that short. So a conversation that was happening in the Discord after this rejection was, one, I was cautious because we hadn't taken this high yet of a move up. So someone asked if they should take profits and maybe look to trade it higher. And my suggestion was it's never a bad idea to take profits when you have a position go almost 2% in your favor right away, right? Because they got short right from the top. Same with on ETH as well. And so the idea here is not to think, for me anyway, is not to think in terms of tops and bottoms, is to think in terms of support and resistance. So you're taking longs at support. You don't know if it's going to be a bottom, but somewhere where it's likely to get a bounce, get a TP1. And if you carry on higher, great. Taking your shorts from resistance, like I took this short, and you're just getting a take profit. And if it's the top, it's the top, but you know it's resistance, right? You know this is resistance. You don't know if it's the top, but you're not looking to long resistance. You're looking to short it. You have longs from lower. And so, same thing kind of applies here. Personally, I'm just carrying some of my longs a little higher. And some levels I'm interested in, I'm not really that interested in swing failuring this level. I think taking these highs would be quite nice as a potential swing failure. And then we could be looking at, some sort of ABC correction, type flat correction here or something like that. If we break out, really the only other level I'm interested in above that for shorts is here at this 382 pulled from this high way back here. So I think it's an important level, but yeah, I guess obviously if you have no longs running, it can be easy to feel like, oh shit, Bitcoin's gonna break out. I've completely missed every opportunity to long, and I think what some people fall into the trap too is, yes, they're looking for shorts here, and now they're really disappointed because price is broken out. Maybe they didn't take any profits off any shorts, expecting much lower. Personally, I was expecting lower, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to take profits on my shorts because I don't know what's going to happen. And same thing with my longs. I'm going to take profits, but I'm not going to completely close them because, again, I don't know what's going to happen. I can just look for short entries that are likely to get me to take profit. And so if you think about it like this, let's just say you have only this long open. And as price comes up into resistance, what are you going to do? You could either take no trade. Does it make sense to long into resistance? Or does it make sense to take a short where you're likely to get some kind of reaction and, get a quick take profit one? If you keep going up, well, that short's a profitable trade, right? So, same thing with these. Just look for that quick take profit one. If you get a deeper rejection, great. If you don't, that's fine too. For me, I like trading long and short at the same time. Longs from support, shorts from resistance. Trying to short key levels where I'm likely to get a reaction, and always trying to take a quick take profit one, stop loss to entry. Another trade I would have been interested in is if we moved up and swing failure this high, but we never got that, which would be losing that level again and back testing as resistance. But right now we're just pushing up into this level, so I'm interested in that. I guess I'll try to upload this right away. We'll probably have maybe tapped it and rejected by the time I get this uploaded, but we'll see.